Which I'm just telling them that I'm buying very expensive perfume. I want the most expensive because I love my wife. Her birthday, so that's the best thing.
Very good. Salamat.
Introducing this to me. And also I have an original adapter so that I can change the lens every time.
I'm going to be very famous in Philippines, looks like.
Of course.
See, if you want good one, you pay good price. Like your t-shirt, you buy good one, you pay t-shirt. Good one, the price.
Patay na. Nag-shopping na siya. Kabalos po siya rin. Good morning, guys. It's our day 3. Burag wala may gipamaulan. Ang among gibaklay yesterday mga more than 9 kilometers, almost 9 kilometers. Among gibaklay. Pero enjoy mo magbaklay dali. While pollution, wag din mahugaw mo mga sapatos. Why kabog-kabog. Pero medyo sad lang ang store nato diri sa Kwanbert. Dito ni malimtan nga adlaw po nato sa Singapore. Kaya mo'y pagkamatay sa atong idol nga si Kobe Bryant. So kagahapon pag mata na ko, murag na siya ko pag mata na ko.
So para
Kobe.
after midnight store karon, na magpalit si brother og 5 ka sapatos na Kobe. Kaya idol mo na si Kobe. Di ba Golden State mo ka brother?
Naman si Kobe ni Sibat. After ni Jordan, Kobe, anak ni Kobe. Si Kobe gina akong idol yun.
Matulog ni?
Ito rin narin.
So karon paingon ni karon sa Little India and Chinatown.
Siya itong expect nito.
So atong doon sa Little India sa Mustafa. Mag-shopping si brother dito sa Mustafa.
Tayo ni, muna yung pinakapangit na yung lugar. Kaya shopping atong purpose. Maskaraw.
Saan Manila ka?
Magsisi. Ulos ako. So sa egg, mga egg lang na. Tita-tita.
May shakoy ko, kahit po shakoy.
Ang nakabi, itong paborito, Bio. Nag-cook, ay, Bi.
Ba't imal sa ito ang kanay sugar? May sugar.
Sugar?
Ilan nakabantay eh.
Dahil ba? May soda. Zero. $6 yung $7. Sa Chowking lang nga yung paborito ko, dako kayo nga kung sila men. Dami. This is a Lord on the stage about to sit and dive into the blessing of the Lord.
Tastes like chicken. Anyway. Thank you. Hindi ka itulog.
May problema ni Mrs. Basta magbiyahe. Pagkaon. Basta dili Pinoy, di na siya ganahan. Si Melissa. Pa Singapore. Ding na siya. Talang. Very good. Pwede man debit card, di ba?
5 for 10 here. 3 for 10, 3 for 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 52, 54, 56. 56. Yes. It's like 5,000 like over.
Can I video? Oh, very nice.
Stand here, sir. Stand itu pas take photo.
Take photo dong.
I'll just take a video. Which I'm just telling them that I'm buying very expensive perfume. I want the most expensive because I love my wife. Her birthday, you know, that's the best thing.
Very, very good Salamat. I also selling 100 plus.
78 winta. Barato. Original, no fake there in
Singapore
Singapore.
no fake no officer. If anything, you come back to Bali. Either you can go tourism board, www tourism board, but come and see the company.
So in Singapore, no.
No fake no officer. So I want to. When what?
Men also.
Because this is tested as a cheap coffee.
Okay, very good.
I give my card. We have a
Hi,
Chinese
guys.
discount. You pay only 280.
I'm trying the wide lens. Hello, my friend.
Hello.
Wow, this is the wide lens.
Now take a picture. Take a picture.
Smile big.
Okay. 1, 2. Without, then you can see the difference. You might not be able to get me, I think.
What a souvenir.
See the difference?
Magamit niyo ma?
Yes.
Magamit niyo. Kaya yung malakong po sa ilahan. Kaya nadulit ng BISAYA.
Nakapalit ko o kuhaan barato kayo. Wide lens plus original adapter. 15,000 rotanan. Yes. Yes.
ang isa ba ang adapter kay Pilipinas?
Original.
Sige, baligyan ang nagtupi sa ito.
Bugali. Sa original nga na price sa Pilipinas, mahal kaayo. Halos 50%.
Di ba yung kamakain sige? Tingal yan din.
Tadri bawal lang.
Before.
Yes.
Give you a new one there, so they're gonna take away. Good job.
My friend here.
Throw this.
I just told you what you can do with it.
Put the jewelry.
Yeah, put a big diamond.
My friend here. Meet my friend here. Hi. You'll be in my vlog. So here in Singapore. Very good guy. He gave me a good discount. Thank you, sir. So now I will change the lens and let's see the difference. I'll take the lens. I'll use the wide so that I'll be. And now I'm using the wide lens. Oh my God! I'm not stretching my arms already. Look, my friend, it's already wide.
So wide.
It's so wide. Thank you. So ako nang paniwid sa mo. Lahi ang hilason mga igala.
I don't have the
Thank you, be. Ang napugos was a choice. Ah.
You want the combo or the combo?
Yes, my God. Rato gila dito sa Singapore. Oh.
Yeah, last price.
Osmo is how much? So that's why if you buy gadgets, visit. What's the name of your store?
DG Electronics.
Here in, what's the address here?
Huh?
What's the address here?
52 Pagoda Street.
Pagoda Street. Perfect. Now it's wide. Look at that.
So easy, yeah? Easy to control.
I will not do stretch like that. I'll just do like that. And see? Oh,
See, your hand won't get tired.
nice. Nice one. Thank you, sir. I'll just ask my friend here if I want another lenses and new gadgets. So cheap here compared to the Philippines.
Of course.
Look at my face. I'm so happy.
50 to 60,000.
Brother, I'm so happy.
Maybe the new one.
I am now a wide lens. So happy. And now, it's not done yet. It's giving me another free. Oh my God. So good. Very good. Thank you. What's your nationality, by the way, sir?
I'm a Singaporean by birth, but Indian by race. My parents are Indian.
Ah, but you're Singaporean.
My grandfather came here when he was 10 years old. And my father came here when he was 8 years old. But today my father is now 86.
Oh. I'm so happy.
Yeah,
Thank you, babe.
Okay.
So happy. So finally I have a wide lens. Wide lens now. This guy, thank you for introducing this to me. And also I have an original adapter so that I can change the lens every time.
I'm going to be
I
very
want.
famous in Philippines, looks like.
Of course.
See,
That's every meal or every...
every day you can drink a cup of tea. But for me, I
Hot?
do for me, I start from breakfast. If I cooking breakfast, I got cow bihun, fried bihun or fried noodle for my children, eggs and bacon. Sometimes I make one pot of tea. I make
One pot,
oolong tea. One pot for everybody drink.
no sugar,
sugar,
no honey.
Of course, you still honey. Better cut the egg, your husband this one. This one your wife.
Yeah.
Cooking must be careful. See, if you want good one, you pay good price. Like your t-shirt, you buy good one, you pay t-shirt. Good one, the price. Look, these two the same. Tell me which one is the best. Of course, this one is the best. This one special selected. And you can use for every day. You can use until 18 months. You read here. You read. You read there. You read.
Detoxification, calms nervous system, strengthens bone, intense, pahutog,
Enhance immunity.
enhance immunity.
If you want long leaf, you take this one. This one very good. After finish drinking, you still infuse. You can add hot water. Until you find that the taste no more, and the day you
So di na ko anan lang ko ba do? Ubo na lang ko anan lang kung kamo to. So karon naka wide lens na ko. So wala na. So na to stress man kayo. Na relax na. Original pag yun nga lens so adapter. Thank you very much. Nice deal. Agay, di mo na ito ni madala da.
Ceramic, eh?
Maigo na ka, biyanaw lang ito ka. Wide lens na.
Happy?
Yes.
Wala na ha? Ilan pa ngayon, Rin?
Magaling.
Pa yun, may sapatos yung...
Di naman ka mga ayog kamera, kanira man. Mura ginawang gusto, wide lang yun. Kapag na naman ko 50 Chinatown, Singapore, barato kaayo diri gyud as in 50%. Tapos sa ila diri priso kung kuan piki, ta kung pagpalit nimo nakita mo piki, pwede ka mo reklamo. Mga kuan sila ba? Pwede sila reklamo ba kung piki ang ilang imo mapalit ba?
Yes, 7 years in jail.
7 years in jail. Patay na. Nag-shopping na siya. Kabalos po siya rin. Malos na siya, brother. Nagpalit na siya ng mga jewelries. Alright. Kapoy. Kapoy backline. Pero actually okay ra. Ang nakakapoy kay grabe gasto karong adlaw. Grabe nga shopping may gala petiha. And
Sticky rice.
in fairness, barato ra kayo. Ang amazing din ang gadget. Grabe lang mga gadget, halos nasa mga 40 to 50% ang diferensya sa presyo sa Pilipinas. So kung nakita niyo karon, nagamit na ko og bagong wide lens. Plus na pagikoyo, nakapagpig ko original nga say tawag nga adapter para sa camera, para any lens pwede gamiton ako. Tapos ang mga pahumot na original, halos 50% po ng diferensya sa presyo. Kung tag 5,000, 6,000 diyan sa Pilipinas, diri nara sa 2,000 or 2,500 kay diri ay kung may bawang nga naman ka pikit preso. Gobi no. So right now, wapo ni nga mall kay matag stall na yung mga kuhan na Vietnamese, na Japanese, Korean, wag kay Pilipinas no. So nag-order namin ay kuhan. So medyo sakit among kuhan, medyo di lang kay may paggabi kay karon. Alas 7 na burag hayag paghapon, pero alas 7 naman ang gigutom na din. So kung man ani manguli na din may ba? Kung man ani brother kay Ugma Universal Studios, medyo kapoy na sad na. Dili natapos ang atong day 3 diri sa Singapore. And again, kung nakaabot mo sa tumuyan nga video, salamat kayo mga boss. Kamo ang tunay nga hilason. Thank you, please don't forget nga mag-subscribe mga brother.